Now, wow, my people. Now, good evening. Now, wow, I want to settle this matter now. We might settle a matter now. Be wa wo me. Any matter me no je. Awa ye piri. Ama clear in the television, ama clear. Any matter in the television, ima mewe ni. We Nigeria ge mana arowa. I don't want me I speak my language. But so with television, I'm clear. My qua manager, the Malay here. I thought was small dote. Any ye piri. Be wa wo me. Well, otien ose mayahin. No one na one. Emi rock basunu da. Ya waru enfa agui. No ge asewa. Oh, adolo. I understand. Oh, the German is able, but sure we only was it too. We might have said to him matter now. We have what mommy. Yeah, we now, but the video, but we are riba. Carry the same complaint we know day. I see same complaint day for yesterday. I just say go don't finish, but the thing come like say they escalate more. Me, I just tired. I want to settle this issue. I been want to speak English. Maybe let's say I go miss and join with English. All of them join. You understand? Oh, wow. Actually, my lady, my sister, I love na be. That place wanna go. On Friday, go to jolly with our wiper. You were wrong. The truth is very bitter. You try me, just calm down, be calm down, ho. If you want to apologize, you apologize. If you don't want to apologize, for me, I know the verse or quarrel with anybody. I go advise you, say, may just calm down, stop doing video. So they see the quarrel. Video of insult and so on and so forth. Stop, my sister. It's not going to make sense. Actually, if this one not agree, this one go agree, this one that's what they do. But you where they come meet person for his house. It be like you na in Nigeria, people like Nigeria now or wherever. Pikin they come or adult self or person come, it still be like or person they come for school. As you come from school, you must say wabo wow. Your mama, your papa, your brother, your sister love to say, okay, bo here. That's what they do. Or rather, it still be like say person can ring for your door now. As person can ring for your door, that you expect the person, you know they expect the person. As he enters, you open door for and look the door, so be that you look and say, nah, he. Definitely, that person, that man or a woman, now she or her, sorry, now she or him, that is supposed to talk, say, wabewa na well done good evening, good afternoon, good morning you will open door for that your friend or that your person and you can say welcome, I beg come inside, may you sit down. Like that is the truth. The truth is very bitter. You not feel expect say person will be saying you come meet for his house, make it come they greet you. Yes, normally don't be saying anything, the person will still greet if you like, but actually the truth is so bitter, 100%. That person where they come for our side. Now you're supposed to see who they house or who they anywhere, that party or wherever. Now you go say, I greet everybody in the house. Like me now, they go party. But if I go, no matter how I go dress rich, no matter how I go believe I find rich, you must still put yourself low so that God go put you high. The truth is very bitter. You understand? So I go enter inside that house, that room, that party room or party hall. I know they expect me people, you can't rush me, they greet me. No. Now me go say, wow, na good evening, na good afternoon. I greet everybody in the house. So you understand? My video don't wake my baby. Sorry. You understand? If I do video, go you wake up. Obeyore, and I just short one quick one. You understand, my people? Now who they come? Not Deni or cannot say wabo wako or agree to now. Then the people within SARS or within the party before come, they say, okay, Bokian, far was your journey. Now so, in the Bible, put yourself down so that he will lift you up. Me, I don't understand. Eh? I don't know what to say to all this matter, my people. If I said to a matter now, help me talk. For my mind, since day for yesterday, when they think they may wuru, or ye piri, or ma clear, me war for bon, have a head, my year away. But the truth is, the truth must be said. Huh? Okay, I say, I know what dollar. If that person condition this matter, anybody want to talk, put more your stuff through. Not join anyone. All of them now, one, all of us now one. You understand? Really, you do that lady share the truth, not not even not talking. You put everything, the video, you put that for her. The way they video, the way they talk to her. For me, if that me, not be loud. As me don't do it for too many people. For example, maybe I'm not too happy. I did one place, or rather, I know your ones. I did greet well, but the day when I know your one great person, me they do that thing, I don't lie to anybody. I will tell you, I go just talk. I go just like pretend, say, this person I dey greet every day, or every time. Today, me too, I'll pretend person. Now him or she will come ask me, say, how far you not greet me today? You know, dear, you get why? Because you know, say I dey greet her. Instead, you go use brain take complete play. How far do I greet you? Good morning, sister. Good afternoon. Or welcome. Today your guy today, bless say guy today. You not even greet me today. I go sit tell her, oh her. I not go even go backyard, come back. Iwa tamba, iwa yegbe. Come here and be person with the fear person. The person will tell you straight, even if na Buhari or whoever. I go tell you what I want to tell you. If you like, you say you want to arrest the person, you want to kill the person, not be me. Now you come, but I don't talk my mind. I know they keep something for me. I don't tell them, say, I bet, bro, sister, we play too. If me not greet you, you not still greet me. Again, you hear me had to way. Me man to way if me not greet you. You not greet me. You greet me, I go still answer. As you greet me, my sister, how you do, or my pikin, how you do. Now me can say good evening, ma, good afternoon, sir. It not mean anything or remove anything from your body. If I not greet you, meaning say maybe I know you're in the mood. It's possible. Okay, this case will not be say maybe that they see every time, they don't they see based on saying now once as if they all come meet. So you know what we like baby party here. You don't mean anything. Now you're supposed to say what bowa. Then they'll come answer. You don't understand. But good or bad, what you consider they get a CB for inside. You're not supposed to put on for her no matter waiting. As you're not supposed to video that particular place. As you talk, you talk face to face. Say, why you not greet me? That's what they do. Finish. Not be what you're supposed to put for her. It not make sense to constantly post the video for her. You know. With the advice is sure that nobody perfect. That is my name in my YouTube. No one is perfect. If you just tell me, sister, you make mistake for this thing. Oh, this one, I was there. Oh, sorry, oh. I don't know now. I hear the verse or come back. I know you're in good mood. Finish. Not be every day person they in good mood. You'll be very wrong, my lady. You understand? For my own advice, even if you don't want to apologize based on pride or one or two things, just calm down. Be calming down. No, you they do video again, they repeat video, they talk back at the person or the lady. You can't want to call anybody name. But everybody, that's why they talk to, they know themselves. And not come cause more quarrel or more harm, but to just give advice so that you guys should calm down. Please. Okay, how the man go feel, now the man will do the party now. But they say, no, go they happy. Because they say, oh, we didn't have a party. I don't see anything. Now we do a night here now. Let him have a party by now, very soon. It's okay, you should just forget it and calm down. But you, my lady, next time, please don't do that kind of thing. So they talk to her and say, you know, the great person, you know, the character. No video, run. That video you come down for her, now you're going to be the worst. To me, you know, so everybody get points with the verse. That video you can put, you know, good. Talk to her normally, naturally, as in with that video, back of the stream. Not your video. And she even, I know why she respect herself for her. She respect herself based on saying maybe, she know what maybe say spoil the man party, the new settle. Secondly, the federal fair accuse and say she dey fight. She don't want to do the same thing again. Let me she just calm down, respect herself. My sister, not be everybody feel respect themselves like that too. A lot of people don't get joy or for it. You understand? Joy or not joy, not everybody will feel your endure. Not some people they different. Some people they don't you endure anything. Why some they don't they get what they call endurance, not they their blood, they don't get joy. You understand? You understand? For me, obviously I know they endure, but if you tell me that word for party, for my husband day, or even if not only me and you see me see you, I will tell you, say you too. I will tell you simple. I will be my true awareness is where me when no one where to me. We are carried to me wa. Ma we no do what be me. When you than hold that word up baby, it go shock. It go see touch and go say, eh. You understand? Not even fight. When we men won't go me ma two where to me. We are carried to me wa. Let me a one no if I'm you. If you fair greet me, that they forbid. As you they come, if you fair greet me, say wabu, I go greet you, welcome you, embrace you. As you know what greet you, they feel say you too big. Then me too, I say big, I see big, I see posh on my own. And they always say, you understand? So I don't do that. That one me want to talk for the matter because me no know not as person want to settle this one matter. The matter why you piri. It don't do when I forget. When I calm down, now they bring the video again, they cost. Though I never watched the other lady video where they say they cost for YouTube. Now the other one I watch where they Jamie. Now I all watch finish, so I still feel for her for one side based on she just make she want respect herself because say she a brand new settle, and secondly they don't feel accuse her say she be fighty. See the way she had to fight, see the way they beat her more, see but more too. So she don't want that thing to happen again. I mean she respect herself. She respect herself, don't mean say she fool now or she be mumu now, you know understand. And sister, you too, another thing. No, they not Jamie meet, they not they talk and say Jamie people knows how to dress. The truth is very bitter. China na Italy me fed day. China for Italy. Better dress, the best dress the Italy. China still day. Greece, China day. Spain, many places. China of stores full. For Jamie, he me over. He makwe. One of vessel. My voice don't wake my baby. I want you doing sharp because I want I want end the live stream so. You understand? China, you know, they Jamie. We self where they Jamie. Sometimes we not to get joy like that. Say China not still day. Because China now one kind of clothes maybe say they flashy, they fine, but tall, you know, they last. You understand that China, everybody know we know the story. But sometimes, you know, feel they buy maka. You say like to miss with China, based on that China, like they flashy pass, like they fine pass. When you push China today, if you see for person body, if you not buy, you not see sleep. What must say make this cloth to fine? If I not buy today, I not see sleep. That's what China be. China they provoke people to come buy them. China they everybody know the story. Not me want to explain China material China made for anybody. It is very flashy, very beautiful, but you know they last. We know the story. With a verse self, some of us not be all with a verse China not did this Jamie. They not going to give them chance. You understand me? They not give them chance. Here why Jamie we are here. Here Jamie. They not go sell Jamie for China. But many places they give the chance for that side. So whether they try to talk, now they use that word again. My lady or my sister, I consent to matter. Don't use that word again. That word was too expensive. Say German women must have been dressed. No. Not reason like that. You want even forget one thing. Say these people they Jamie. Now all those Italian people, Italian bogas, France people, Spain, and so on and so forth. Now for year, German lady not many naturally because people know they come Jamie. But free sentence like 7, 8, 10 years ago, all the Italian people, all of the come full year people come from France women. Now France and Italy and Spain like dominates Jamie here. The truth is bitter. Now the truth. If you count people will be Gemma where you're dead natural, where you're come, enter Jamie, they not reach 30 women, for example, out of 100, they not reach 30 or 40%. But right now, so they talk now. They reach 99% based on say all of them come from Italy, come from Germany, come from France. We know the story, I know the story. Me too, I not come, just enter Germany. I know that country I before I enter here. So I beg, I just want to correct that place. Not to say Germany people not be dress. You understand? It's medo CSO, medo Chinese to wa, or say why maybe when I born out this life, I am full. Nobody is perfect. That is why my name is called Who is Perfect? Lady B, Who is Perfect? That is my name on YouTube. You understand? Nobody is perfect. For your mind, your office say, as you come 4 hours, 5 hours journey, make everybody just see you, embrace you, they greet you. No. My sister, you were wrong there. Of course, use only one word, only one stone, take it or bed. Oh, I greet everybody in the house. Everybody will come greet you, embrace you, say, oh, how was your journey? Call book here. Now, so it's very easy, not me anything. Me with the see so that time where we new come, our mama will bring us now, know the story now. After we finish the deal we'll get with her, me personally, she see me for road. As we see for road, that I dey drive, she see me for road. As she see me for road, say, hey, where we trouble with me? Who trouble me? I see I can't just start move. Person say I fed the greet and be that your purpose is just do one. He said, Ladiva now matwa me. Also man atwa me. Abu ma dere me now say, hey, hello. Why mama, respect bola wo. Imana itu where to me. Imana to me. Ama me rock back. I want to make her na my age mates. I say when I told when mama utu me, it was say boy every day. I beat my way no agreement. Me was I didn't know it. He me was but I were a week. That time we waiting some people food there. Be like train station where people there. Where our black women go your food in the evening. You know, say some kind of city day in the evening. Women don't come, they sell meat pie, they sell granuts, they sell oil, they sell chichi, they sell embe warrior. Now that sports that day. She can't shame me, can't see shame. I you park my motor, as I you park my car, you meet me. People who know the story, they know. People who have fed there for that place. Why they talk so. For we your mom, bless you, my dear. You might know now you're over your way. Ọwẹ́ fún ẹ̀sìn mi, ọlá àdìgbò ọ̀nà ayọ̀rẹ́, ọ̀nà àrùlẹ̀ bóyá àdìwò wà mí. Ìyẹn ọ̀hún ibi àwẹ̀ fídíò máa wẹ̀, ọ̀lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ wà rí school, everywhere good, so now we dey do it together. Ìjọ mo mà kí rẹ̀ àìmúyàn lẹ́yìn, ọ̀sàyàwó ìmọ̀, sọ̀rọ̀ bá wọn fídíò ní wọn ẹ̀fẹ̀ mẹ́fẹ̀ ní Jésù Kristi. So before I end my live stream, now so that story can be. She shocked that day. She shocked, come like say peace for body, say and this ovinye, you understand? Ovinye ve ya fe oguyen kwa veriana. You understand? For waiting ovinye wa muro oguyen kwa veriana that year don't take. You understand? I say memo wosa. My way even business mama. Since me man out to when me mena. Otu me. Ere wa se. Otu me. Ona we matama ko waje. Ovive ko bota. Mama bankwere, mama call butter, and I don't swear. Mama call butter, lave zero, or those naively, but I can greet her with my, our greeting, our darling, that time. You understand? You don't mean anything. Respect is reciprocal, you don't mean anything. Small picking, they greet big person if they greet small picking. So, the whole matter, why you piri, only send why we were. I'm saying, I do have more bog, more goon, more sago, more name, big baby, ya fe. I don't understand, make sense, not mature now. God say, you don't greet me, I don't greet you. Fine, when I don't quarrel small, when I just forget, when I boof, I beg, now, yeah. You don't do, why we were. You understand? I don't want you to stop this evening, because the thing just the way the thing just the ring for my enemy head. Now I say, no, I don't feel wait for tomorrow, I don't want to wait for tomorrow. I not feel your weight because no. Good not talk like that. So they must have been Jamie people must have been dressed. Now they use that word, it's too expensive. You understand? It's very expensive. Secondly, that one you just say the person not get character for your husband present. No, you were wrong. You were very wrong. You are not supposed to say that, at least because of the man. Your husband, you first gets more respect. Say you just calm down. you know, your talk, your booth. You understand? But man, the two of them, you see, the worst thing, you even thought that, you know, the two pay me, although no, you not correct what you talk. When you call your payment, but you still post them for hair. The thing they hair. No, you went too far now. Nah. You went too far. No. You understand? You say talk that way. If not behind the screen you talk, you're not showing for video, it's okay. You're not today okay, but it's manageable too. As he told me, oh, if not me tell that kind of word, I know as I sit answer you, but it's manageable. Now we. Or I feel not even see answer you. But posting it in the air, no. You were wrong. Try to just delete the video. It don't make sense. You know, it didn't really show maturity. Nobody is perfect, like I always say. And I believe in this message. In every message, there is a message inside. So try to just understand and take it and catch your points inside. The rest, what you feel like, no, we understand. That's all where the matter be. Still get one video I consider watch again. I know I call this our sister name. She did it that day, now she can't do this thing. Maybe I will still do that video tomorrow. Because my baby don't why they wake up because of my noise. It don't lead to one. As I thought, so they don't agree here. As they don't need noise if they sleep. You understand? So that video I would still like to talk about, but I believe that tomorrow. But again, one point where I want just quick through before I just finally end the video to this night. You understand? That will be say you do birthday, everybody celebrates you. Okay, best thing else can they do now? People say they celebrate and they pay you. Why go they pay you? Why you want me you do on top? You want me you don't you want me be everything? Why? Now let your own they reach, now let your own talk or your own clothes or your own thing. You want everybody they see. Maybe they don't see another person. Or in short, another person not the important. Now let you walk on important pass. Now you fight pass. Now you wear the most beautiful clothes pass. I don't understand. That one already deal with her for that video. I believe say when I don't watch, I'll never watch. I may go find her. I don't want to call anybody name. But I just they throw away some time points. And it is true. The way that get it the way they get it the other one. You understand? It is true the way they talk. Yeah, everybody they celebrate you, but they only like you and don't like you. They all celebrated you. That is people who celebrate them. Mary Manana talk, he must celebrate. Like I only write happy birthday and something like that for the platform, something like that. Like this a pound I post the picture based on good or bad, the man they nice, they make everybody, most people, 90% of people they happy. Even if not be talk, if you just they dance alone, that dance it go a long way for many people body. All of them they talk and everybody they confess, they'll say, hey, you don't cure my BP this night, you don't cure my depression this night, or this morning or this afternoon with your dance. All they see everybody do video. No, even if not be talk, only that dance alone. You understand? Now saga and everything, it did there. But now that dance, if that dance alone, it thrill a lot of people. You know, you see for a video, if they do video, people will write the comment back, dance, but you forget talk, put music, make dance for us. That dance, if you know what they heal a lot of pain, a lot of things. You understand? Yeah? Okay, you can the thing they prepare you, you know what make them celebrate them. Now let you want you be God. I bet my people, I want him down, don't do based on why should they wake up one by one. But no, they don't need that if they sleep. So good night, people. Okay, bye. Greet you all. Please share and like the video. You go carry cartoon this night because you wake up. Hey, always set. God vive ya love you. Osagui mayaro vini Jesus Christi. Amen. So you understand me, my people. When I make sure the video, like this video, and then join, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, guys. My name is Lady B, who is perfect. God bless you all. Sleep well and remember to just pray to God as well, so that God will continue to protect each and every one of us. So there's a little noise because two of them don't wake and I have to stop right now. Bye-bye. Good night. Thank you. Bye. Share. Like and just please try to comment on the video as well. I can still get some points in what you are commenting. I mean, some message in it as well. Good night. Bye-bye. Share. Thank you for sharing. Bye.